Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today's video is gonna be a video on Fenty Beauty products. I'm gonna be using mostly Fenty Beauty products. I am filming it on Friday, but it was supposed to go up today, but I'm uploading it tomorrow just because I didn't have time to today. But and I also filmed a video Thursday, but I didn't like how that one came out. So yeah, my video is gonna be up tomorrow on Saturday, but I wanted to call this video Fenty Beauty Friday, even though it's not Friday. I definitely want to do sort of like a review or like first see, just to test out these products. I know Fenty Beauty just came up with their new concealer, so I definitely want to test that out for you guys and let you guys know my opinion if you care. If you don't, well, don't watch. But anyways, you know, not all of my products in today's video are going to be Fenty Beauty because I am creating a look, but I definitely want to make this Fenty Beauty products because most of the things that I'm going to use today are going to be Fenty Beauty. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start with priming my face. This is the Fenty Beauty Retouch Primer. This is supposed to help with pore diffusing, your pores. And it's supposed to make your makeup last forever. So I'm just going to, this is supposed to be a matte primer. So I'm just gonna put this in the areas where I get a little oily throughout the day. I'm not very oily. I am more on the drier side. And I've already moisturized my face. And I'm just applying this with my fingers. I want to press this in really good into my skin just to fill up these pores. Okay. Now I'm just going to be filling in my eyebrows as usual with the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia in medium brown. If you guys want to see a detailed look on how I do my eyebrows, I can definitely link that video in the description bar below if you want to check that out. Just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 240. I had this foundation for a few months already, and it's a pretty matte foundation, which is not something that I really like just because on the drier side, but I definitely still love it. I just have to use more moisturizer than usual, which is not bad. I'm just going to be using my foundation to carve out my brows right now. Alrighty, now that I have my eyebrows done, now I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to be using Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids. And I'm just dabbing this on with my finger. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna be going in with the the Magic Mini by Juvia's. I'm gonna be grabbing this color Nana, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid. I'm really just swinging this. I don't really have an idea of which direction I want to bring this eyeshadow look to, but we'll just see where this goes. I'm just moving in windshield wiper motions just to have this fully blended out. Don't want any harsh lines, obviously. You know, the whole jazz. Next, I'm just gonna be going in with this in the color Cafe Macchiato. I'm pretty sure it's from Morphe. I'm just gonna take that color and I'm just gonna deepen up the crease. Next, I'm gonna be going in with Insias from the Shade to Light eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna be using my M330 brush from Morphe. I'm gonna be going in with my M532 brush from Morphe. And I'm just gonna blend this out. And now I'm gonna be going in with the color Samael right here on this corner, from the Shade to Light eyeshadow palette. And I'm just using this duo brush from Anastasia. It came in like a palette. But yeah, I'm just gonna be taking Samael on my brush and I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be putting this in the inner corner. I'm gonna be using Solace from this palette on my outer crease. And I'm just gonna be using a M514 brush. And then taking this M532 brush, I'm just gonna blend this out again. Not everybody has the same eye shape, so your eye looks might come out a little bit different. It's just having like the same basis, you know, just blend out your colors and have them concentrated in one area where you want your shadow to be at. Now that I'm kind of done my eyes, I'm gonna be adding lashes. The ones I am using today are the Lilly lashes in Miami. Yes. I've seen a lot of reviews on these. Hopefully my little ass eyes look good with these lashes too. So yeah, now that I have my long ass lashes on, Lord, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation now. And I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. Don't mind my pimples, y'all. I'm always breaking out really bad. Especially around my forehead area. They're not even really pimples. They're like, I don't know. I want to say they're like heat bumps, but it's not. I don't know. I don't know what they even are. I don't know. So now I'm just gonna blend this in with my beauty blender. This foundation is also a little bit too yellow for me, but it'll work. Now I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 180. This concealer is supposed to be thick concealer, full coverage. Let's see how it goes on my face. Feels nice. And I really like the applicator that it has, cause when it's a little squirt bottle or whatever, it sucks. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Banana. Now I'm just gonna be dusting that powder off with my M438 brush by Morphe. I'm gonna add this Rimmel London nude to my lash line, bottom lash line. And now I'm gonna do this Cover FX custom enhancer drops. I'm just gonna add that to the high points of my cheekbone, a little bit on my forehead, on my nose. Now I'm just gonna blend that in with my finger. Now I'm gonna be going in with my MAC bronzer called Give Me Sun. Oh, can you see that? No, you can't. Sorry. I'm gonna be grabbing my F40 Sigma brush. Oh, lordy. Now I'm gonna just be using my Touch of Pink Jordana blush on a Real Techniques buffing brush. Now for highlights, I'll be using Fluffy M510 brush by Morphe for my highlight. And for highlight, I will be using MAC Soft and Gentle. Now I'm going to be going in with this liquid lipstick by Fenty Beauty called Unbutton. I'm going to go over it with this Morphe lip gloss in the color Freebird. Alright guys, so this concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now, please and thank you. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and till next time, bye.